Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your program with the Intern Group, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your program with the Intern Group, start by logging into your account on their official website. Once logged in, navigate to the My Programs section found in your dashboard. Identify the program you wish to cancel. Click on the program for more details. Look for the Cancel Program option on the Program Details page. Read the cancellation policy carefully to understand any potential fees or conditions. If you agree with the cancellation terms, proceed by clicking the Confirm Cancellation button. You may be prompted to provide feedback about your experience. This is optional but appreciated. After confirming your cancellation, check your email for a confirmation message from the Intern Group. If you do not receive the confirmation email within a few hours, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. For any issues or if you have questions regarding your cancellation, contact the Intern Group's support team directly. Provide them with your account details and the reason for your cancellation. They will assist you further and ensure the cancellation process is smooth. Keep a record of all communication regarding your cancellation for future reference. Make sure to withdraw from any payment methods linked to your account if applicable. Finally, celebrate your next steps, whether it's a new opportunity or simply a well-deserved break. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.